Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode from HISOCI Leads Generate Training. Today we will speak about how we generate some leads using email marketing solution. As we can see, we will speak today about two pages, the Facebook and the LinkedIn. First we will speak about the Facebook. We will use also the search bar, but here we will try to target some company pages. So I will start searching, for example, marine company. As we can see here, we have this company, and we will press on see all. We have a lot of company, for example, this company, this. I will open like randomly. Here, as we can see, they have an email, and here I have some tools like scrub any type of email in the page I just opened. Here, if I go, they have email. If I press here, as we can see, it's already taken. Here, they don't have, I close. And for this, it's finished, I will close. Here, it's same, they don't have. Here, they have. So as we can see, it's like before I do anything, he scrap the email. And here also it's done. As we can see right now, I take all the emails here. If I can go here for all email, I will find all emails I just have. This is all emails, for example, I scrapped from yesterday regarding to what I speaking about right now. If we go to the LinkedIn, as we can see, it's same thing, but here we try to go for, and for example, uh, manager. We will try to search here as a position for people, and I will just open like this as we, or as usual, I will just open like this. No need anything. I will just press on the contact info. If he mentioned the email, it will be scrapped directly. If he don't mention the email, so that means it will not be scrapped. As we can see, all of this, they don't have any kind of email. This, they have email. It's already scrapped, as we can see. So this also contact info, they don't have contact info, don't have contact info, it's already scrapped. Contact info, it's already done. Contact info, and here also contact info. So as we can see, right now I have 42. Like I scrap 7 email in less than 3 minutes. I scrap all this email. So if I go for CEO, it will be same. I will just open a random account, and I can go, for example, founder, and I can scrap or I can put a random, for example, right now. Here, contact info, this we will cancel. This is contact info, contact info. As we can see, if they mention any kind of email, it will be scrapped directly in less than 1 second. If he don't provide any kind of email on his page, so nothing will show. So that's how we scrap these emails from LinkedIn. So as we can see, we have right now all these emails. I will go to my email, and I will try to send them message. I will try to make compose. I can go here and I can copy all the emails I found and put it here in BCC, and here I can make the subject, and here I can write dear message, any kind of message, and best regards. As we can see right now, we scrap some emails, we put it here, and we start the email marketing as easy way. Like, it's not very hard to use this. It's regarding to what I need to send to them as a message, proposal, any kind of thing I will mention here. And I will put the subject and I will put all the email in BCC, and I must have a signature. So with this signature I can go to setting, identities. As we can see, this is my identity. I put my name, like what is the name. This is because I am the CEO. And here how I write the signature. Like any email I will open, it will show directly this signature. I don't need to type like every time I will type. No, it will show directly without typing anything. So as we can see, if we open any company, also any company website, if I open, I remember here I already mentioned my email. So as we can see, he take this, he take all the emails in the website. So I just need to open a website and he will directly scrap. Or usually some people or some companies, they don't mention their email in the footer, they mention only in the contact. So I will go to the contact and it will be scrapped directly. As we can see, it's very easy to get all type of email from any page without making something hard. No, we just need to open the link, the tools will do the rest. So right now, that session is very easy. That's how we scrap emails to send them some offers, some proposal, a newsletter, anything. So I have all the company that when I send them a WhatsApp message, I save their website in my CRM, and then I just click. I open all the websites, I scrap all the emails, so I can send them also an email directly without making or without, sorry, wasting a lot of time. So this is the first way or the first option. That's how we can send emails to people. As we can see here, I think yesterday I received this type of email. This is an email marketing, and this also, no, there's something else. This email, it will show like this. Okay, it will be only like this as a text message, or it's an text email marketing. It's not powerful, it's not good. In the next session we will speak about how we make same like this, for example, or any kind of unprofessional email that you can receive from any company, like this, how they put some buttons here, for example, how we receive this, how we receive this green and all of this thing. Like if we can see, they put some pictures, we have this design, how they make this. That's what we will learn in the next session. So for now, Don't forget to press subscribe, like, and comment, and see you in the next episode.